Alright, so they added some more pipes over here, so we had to squish these over. And then we added these 4 pipes in the back. 3 2.5 inch and a 3 inch. And sort of messed up. There's this black line right here, which is the floor. And it had to be 7 inches above that. And I made it at the black line, so these are all 7 inches short. Most of these don't have couplings or anything, so we didn't have the chance to mess those up, but the ones that we did stub up right here, they have to get another coupling on top. Or sorry, a spam caller interrupted me. So yeah, these are 7 inches short, so they're gonna have to be cut down and add another piece on top. Or yeah, so those have to get extended up a little bit more. 7 inches above finished floor, and that's basically what I worked on today. This went over to the other side over there. I'll show you. Worked on finishing up those 8 pipes right there, and then went ahead and finished up those pieces over there, where had to get the pipes inside the square boxes again, the slabs, because they kept getting kicked out or something. So yeah, so I'll show you that. Alright guys, so here's what I did at the beginning of the day. Threw some more pipes in there. We got the 2-inch pipes, so we did 3 sets of 20 foot, so 60 foot, 20, 40, 60. So we did 5 sets, or 5 pipes at 2 inches wide, so 5 pipes of 2 inch. So threw those on top, and as far as someone was asking me if we're gonna chair it, I don't think so, but that's really up to whoever is in charge, and I am not in charge. But we staked out these EMTs right here. We just pounded some EMT into the ground to separate it off of the form board, so they can easily get their stakes and wood out once the concrete is poured. And then we just threw the pipes in there, and yeah, so that's the first thing I did today. And then went over there, finished the 8 1-inch pipes, and then went ahead and worked on the service gear, and then also setting the pipes inside of the form boards. There was a couple of them that were not inside, so switched that out, and then that's basically what I did today. All right, so DJ and everyone else, give you the beard update. It's looking respectable. I don't look like a baby anymore, but I still don't like it this short. Shaved it last Sunday, though today's Monday, so what is this, day 8 of the beard regrowth. So that's where we're at right now. Car's making weird noises, but real weird noises. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Thanks for the support as always. I will see you back here tomorrow. I'm not here. I'm going to a different job site, which I'm waiting for a response from my coworker to tell me where to meet at and what time. But there's a cop right there. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to see more videos. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.